How to sell your house fast for cash. Selling your house quickly and for cash may seem challenging, but with the right steps, you can make it a smooth process. Let's explore the key strategies to ensure a fast cash sale for your home. First, prepare your home for sale. Start by decluttering and depersonalizing the space. Remove personal items, excess furniture, and any clutter to help potential buyers envision the home as their own. A clean, tidy, and neutral environment is more appealing. Next, enhance your home's curb appeal. The exterior is the first thing buyers see, so make a great impression. Consider simple landscaping, a fresh coat of paint on the front door, and maintaining the lawn. A welcoming home exterior sets the tone for a successful sale. Pricing your home correctly is crucial. Research your local real estate market to understand current prices for similar homes. Consider hiring an appraiser or real estate agent for an accurate valuation. A competitive price can attract more cash buyers quickly. Now, market your property effectively. Utilize online platforms like Zillow, Trulia, and social media to reach a wide audience. High-quality photos and a compelling description can attract serious buyers. Don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth marketing among friends and family, too. Consider selling directly to cash buyers or real estate investors. Companies that buy homes for cash can close quickly and reduce hassle, but make sure to vet their offers carefully. Obtain multiple quotes to ensure you're getting a fair deal. Preparing all necessary paperwork in advance can expedite the process. Have documents like your title deed, property disclosures, and any recent repairs or improvements readily available. A well-organized approach fosters trust and speed in the transaction. Finally, be ready for negotiations and keep a flexible schedule for showings. Responding promptly to interested buyers and accommodating their timing can help